So we're going to look at a recipe for a whole baked celeriac. We're going to rub it with salt, we're going to bake it slowly, carve away the skin, and then pan fry it. Now the salt and the oven draws away a lot of moisture, intensifies the flavour inside and passes the seasoning all the way through the piece. And when we come to slice it in kind of thick steak-like pieces, we can get a really good golden colour on the outside. Turn your oven to 150 degrees, about gas mark 2. I take a roasting tray to deal with the mess. And then make sure your celeriac is relatively clean. Then you want to take some Dijon mustard, smear it all over the celeriac. Now, this isn't so much for flavour as it is to help the salt stick to the celeriac. Get some flaky sea salt and you sprinkle it over the celeriac and rub it across. Now, it looks like far too much salt, but actually it's to give seasoning into the celeriac. You're going to discard the skin anyway, so that would be overly salty. You want the salt to move into the body of the celeriac as it bakes in the oven. And then you sit that in the oven and bake it for about 2 to 3 hours until the whole piece is soft all the way through. So when your celeriac is done, it should look slightly dehydrated, pretty unattractive, but surprisingly not burnt after that time in the oven. All you need to do is cut away the top and the bottom, and then cut away the skin on the sides, and it's the flesh on the inside that you're going to use to cook with. You can chop it in half, and then you can cut it into thick steak-like pieces. It looks quite bizarre, it looks almost like pineapple at this stage. All we need to do is fry them in a little bit of oil for maybe 3 to 4 minutes aside until they're golden brown. And there's no need to season them at all because they're salty enough from the salt that's been packed around them when they've been roasting. So when the celeriac is nice and golden, I finish with a little squeeze of lemon juice and a couple of turns of black pepper, and then serve it with some grains or some pulses, and there's a perfect meal. Thanks very much for watching. Let us know what else you'd like to see in the comments below.